Hello and welcome. I'm Stephanie Smith, aka Business Chic Mama. Welcome to my channel where I help creative entrepreneurs succeed in business. Today I'm going to show you a case study. I have my exact emails of how I created this branded product for my brand from Alibaba to sell on Amazon. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is go to Alibaba.com and search for your product. In my case, it is the gym cable cuff. And you're going to see dozens and dozens of products. So choose the one that looks like the one that you want to produce and go ahead and do your due diligence on the supplier. There's a lot of information here like the response rate, and there's these little diamonds to see the type of supplier, how long they've been in business, trade protection, all of that. So make sure you do your due diligence. So the next step I took was to contact the supplier. When you're contacting suppliers, make sure that you're very professional, that you have a company name, that you're not giving them the runaround. These people are very busy. They get a lot of inquiries every day, so make sure it's short and sweet and to the point. This was my exact email. Hello, I'm interested in this product. I would like my logo. I will be selling on Amazon. Please give me your best price and price for sample. And I sent a picture. He replied back, thank you for your email. He introduced himself and the company, and he also explained that he's working with many brands all over the world and also on Amazon. He gave me a price for the sample, and he also said, fine, you can check the quality and let me know if you need any more information. So right now, that was a great exchange, and when you develop a relationship with a supplier, it is amazing because they will, if you are good to your suppliers, they will be really good to you and you will get a lot of perks. So I replied back, okay, I'd like to go ahead and order a sample with my logo with the above style. Please let me know how to proceed. Because each company is different in the way that they want to go with the process, so just ask them. Hello, Stephanie, great. Send me your logo and instructions about the color. And then also share my address, and also he gave me the price for the sample for the door-to-door shipping, and that was $40. And I said, great, since I'll be selling on Amazon, I'll have to build my listing from scratch. So I wanted three different logos, three different samples to start. I wanted black with white, pink with black, and purple with black, and asked for the embroidered logo. I also asked for the best price for 3 samples, and then I would send him the money. So there's my logo that I attached. And then I didn't hear right back to him, so I gave him a gentle nudge, a friendly reminder, but he responded quickly saying, I'm so sorry, he was out of the city, and that he is explaining that he has around 40 customers selling on Amazon with the belts and the gloves, and that he would arrange, as requested, my sample with the logo. And then he also talked about the Pantone color. So the Pantone color is really important to know because you could say, oh, I want a blue water bottle. But guess what? There's like thousands of blue shades and they can't read your mind. So you want to make sure that you give them the Pantone color to make sure it's the right color. You can go right on to Pantone.com, or you can order a Pantone kit. So you can it's a universal color code is what it is. I just snuck on my glasses so I could see. But to spare you all of the details on each email, I just wanted to go through this really quickly, what we spoke about. I gave my company information. We talked about colors for the product. Talking about the logo, which type I asked him would be better for the product, embroidered or PVC. He recommended the rubber, but I wanted to keep something, I wanted it to be cost effective. So the rubber logo was a little more expensive than the woven, and we went with the woven. And then we were just confirming the delivery charges for the samples. I sent him the money, and then we were just, here's just some follow-up emails. And then I received the samples, which I loved, but the color wasn't correct. They did not do a metallic color like as they had said they would. So I had to go back and we had to fix that. And that was a little bit of a setback because the company said that they could not do the metallic. But I went ahead and was a little aggressive and asked them to find a way to do it. And long story short, they did end up manufacturing my request. So don't be afraid to ask for what you want, because they will find a way. So keep scrolling down. We just back and forth, sending the samples, receiving the samples, talking about different packaging. Here's the packaging, some of the just choices, and I wanted a very simple packaging, but you can always send them a picture of a sample of something that you like, and they will go ahead and match that. Of course, you need to get the pricing on the packaging because that adds to your product. And so I went ahead and actually placed the all production order of a couple hundred pieces. We got the exact packaging requirements and the information, which was the sizes, and he wanted to know how I wanted them packed. You know, all of these details need to be talked about, and we discussed all of that. I went ahead, placed the order, and then everything was great. I received the order. The product was just as sampled, and you know, everything about the delivery here, it was perfect. So my suggestions to you are that before you go ahead and just choose any random product, you must make sure that it is going to be something that will sell on Amazon. If it's already selling, most likely there will be a demand for it. You just need to make sure to position yourself through advertising, or maybe you have a unique color or something very specific that people are looking for that is low competition. But before you go and waste thousands of dollars, make sure you're doing your market research on Amazon. And you can do those with do that with tools like you can use the keyword finder. You can use make sure you understand how to search for keywords. And there's so many free and paid apps that you can use to help you with this process. But as you can see, it was a very easy process. It was just a lot of back and forth, but that is not the hard part. The hard part is really just finding those products that are going to sell. But anyway, I hope this video inspired you. Please drop a like if you did, a comment. I always answer my comments, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay guys, go get them, and I'll see you in the next video.